Leaf, flower. What is this? Flower. What is this? Leaf. Hold. Yes. What is this? Leaf. What is this, Dhruva? Leaf. See. Green color. Green color. White color. White color. Purple color. Purple. Okay. Now you will match. Keep here. Very good boy. And see, blue, purple color. Keep it here. Very good boy. Very good boy. Again, I will give you purple color. Where you will keep purple color. Very good. White color. Keep white color. Keep white color, Dhruva. Very good boy. And green color. Keep green color. Good boy. Now again, I will keep like this and then you keep, okay? See, green color, green, white, purple, purple. Again, keep green color. Good boy, good boy. White color. Very good boy, Dhruva. Purple color. Good boy. Very good. Green color. Very good boy. Green. White color. Keep white color. Very good boy. Purple color. Very good boy. Very good boy. See, again I will give you. You keep. Sorry. Green color. Good boy. White color. Purple. Very good. Okay, now like this and keep, like this I will keep and you keep, okay? Green color. Yes. White color. Very good. Purple color. Very good boy. Good boy. And then again I will keep like this. White. White. Very good. Green. Yes. Purple. Good. Good boy. Dhruvanana is a good boy. Okay. Again. White color. Green color. Purple. Okay. Give me white flower. White flower. Okay. Green leaf. Purple flower. Okay, very good. Acha Dhruva, give me purple color. Thank you. Green color. White color. Very good boy. Dhruva, keep green color. Green. Here keep. White color. Keep it here. Purple. Keep it here, purple. Yes, keep like this. Okay. Green leaf. Green. White flower. Purple flower. Very good. Dhruvanana is a good boy. Give me a white flower. Wait. Purple flower. Green flower. Purple. Green. White. Okay. Keep green leaf here. White flower here. Purple flower here. Keep it here like this. Okay, now? Now keep cards. Keep purple color. Purple. Yes. Green color. Green color there. Again keep green color. No. Where is leaf? Green color. Okay, keep white. Here. With the flower you need to keep. Yes. Okay. With this. Green color. Yes. Very good boy. Okay. Purple give me. Okay. Green color give. Very good. White color give. Good boy. Keep purple. There, keep purple. Green. Keep it here. White. Keep it here. Keep green color. Keep purple. White color. Okay, good boy, good boy. Okay. Okay. Fine. See flashcards I have for Dhruva. See. B. You keep B. Where you should keep B? Yes, yes. But not like this, Dhruva. See, not like this. It should be like this. Like this you need to keep C. Okay? Keep C. Keep C. Very good boy. Keep A. Good boy. Good boy. Yes. Very good boy. Very good boy. Okay. Again we will match. I'm keeping like this. You match. Okay. Keep B. Keep B. Okay. Keep C. Okay. Keep A. Very good, good boy. Again, I will keep like this. Keep C. Dhruva, C. Where you should keep C? Yes. C. C. B. A. Good boy. Very good boy. Give me B. Give on auntie's hand. A. Give me C on auntie's hand. On auntie hand, Dhruva. You should give me on my hand. Okay. Give B. Okay. Give me C. Give me A. B. Keep it here. Keep A. A. Keep C. Keep B. Okay, good. Good boy. Now we'll keep like this. Keeps B. C. A. Okay. A. B. First keep your hand. A. B. C. A. B. C. A. Keep B. Yes. Keep A. Yes. Keep C. Okay. Which one is yellow color? It is yellow color. Yellow. Okay, now. Give me A, Dhruva. Give me A. 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 Give me A. This one give. Give me this one, Chudu. A. Give. On my hand. On my hand. B. B. On my hand. C. On my hand. And give me B. Give me B. C. A. Very good. Now, likewise. Now see, Chudu. Auntie have 1, 2, 3 also. Chudu. 1, 2, 3. Okay. See, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Chudu. 1, 2, 3. Keep 1, 2, 3 where you keep this. Keep where? Keep this 3. Keep this 3. Okay, keep this 3. Keep that. Come sit here. Sit here and keep this 3. Keep it. Keep this 3. Keep 2. Dhruva. Dhruva. Should keep 2. On 2. 2 keep. Again. Keep 2. Keep 3. Keep 1. Okay. Give me 3. Give me 1. 1. Give me 2. Okay. Again I'm keeping like this. Okay. Keep 1. Keep 2. Keep 3. Give me 3. Give me 1. Give me 2. Okay. Give me 2. 2. 3. 1. Keep 1. Keep it here. Keep 3. Keep it here. Keep 2. Keep it here. Keep 1 properly. Keep 3. Keep 2. Okay. Give me 1. Give me 2. 3. Give me 2. 3. 1. Okay. Again. Keep 3. Keep 3. Here keep 1. Keep it here. Here. 2. Keep it here. Okay. Keep 1. Where you should keep 1? Yes. 3. Okay. Keep it properly. 2. Yes. Good boy. Again. 3. 1. 2. Good boy. Good boy. 1. 3. 2. Keep 2 here. 3 here. 1 like this. 1 here. Keep 2. 1. 3. 3. Keep on 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Look here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Give me 1. Give me 3. Give me 2. 2. Give me 1. 3. Properly. No, properly give me 2. Keep 2. Keep it here. 3. Keep it here. Properly. 1. Keep it here. 2. Where you should keep 2? Yes. Where you should keep 1? Yes. Where you should keep 3? 3. Yes, very good. Keep 3. 3 where you should keep? Keep 3? Not like this. Like this you should keep. Like this. 2. 1.